Hello everyone, and welcome to our presentation on the random forest algorithm. Today, we will delve into the intricacies of this powerful machine learning technique, exploring its background, time complexity, real-world application through a simulation, and a detailed performance assessment. Random forest is an ensemble learning techniques that building on the simplicity of decision trees by creating a forest of them. Each tree in the random forest works on the slightly different set of data and features, making prediction that when combined are more accurate and robust than any single tree could produce. It's particularly adept and handling complex datasets with high dimension species, making it ideal for a wide range of application from the finance to healthcare.
Moving on to our practical application, we use the UCI machine learning repositories bank marketing dataset to simulate the random forest algorithm. After processing the data, we trained our random forest model with 100 trees and a maximum tree depth of 20 to predict whether clients would subscribe to a term deposit. The model handled missing values and categorized variable effectively, showing the practical robustness of random forest in dealing with the real-world data.
Brother, ugh.
And assessing our model, we compared the random forest performance with that decision trees, logistic regression, and SBM's accuracy, precision recall, F1 score, and AOC ROC metrics. Our findings confirmed that the random forest outperformed the other models, particularly in terms of accuracy and robustness, which we attribute to its ensemble approach that mitigates overfitting and capture complex pattern in data. Despite advantages, random forest is not without its limitation in the model still can overfit if not properly turned in the, and managing in large number of trees. Become computationally intense features research could explore optimizing these aspects, potentially integrating boosting techniques to improve performance features.
Additionally, our analysis of future importance provided insight into key predictors of marketing success, which can inform more effective strategies for customer engagement. To conclude, our studies illustrate the effectiveness of the random forest algorithm in handling diverse and complex datasets, proving its worth in the toolkit of modern data scientists. Thank you for watching our presentation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more driven data content. Until next time, stay curious.